rejuvenation has been around for over 10 years, and the latest device to actually come on the market is called the BBL by Sciton. What's great about the BBL is it can actually treat almost any skin-related disorder, from acne to rosacea to decreasing pore size to getting rid of brown spots and pigmentation, getting rid of broken capillaries on the nose. We never really had devices like that before, and it's very revolutionary to have something that can treat all kinds of skin disorders. One of the neat things that was discovered recently at a Stanford study was that they treated 50-year-olds with a series of BBL treatments, and they noted that over half of the gene expressions in the skin mimicked the control group of 30-year-olds. So we do know there's proof to show that this actually is a sort of fountain of youth, and people who do these consistently 2 to 3 times a year after a series do look about 7 to 9 years younger than their counterparts. And now we have proof, so it's just not a marketing scam. Today we're actually going ahead and going to be treating a patient for rosacea. What I'm doing today on my patient is I'm going to be using the BBL, which is a photo rejuvenation device, the newest one to hit the market, to actually get rid of some of the broken capillaries around her nose, and also to calm a touch of rosacea that she has. We use the BBL to keep rosacea calm, as well as to get rid of some of the sun damage that accumulates on all of our skin. What's really phenomenal about, or fun actually in my opinion, because I'm not receiving, is the fact that the capillaries, you can actually see them just disappear. The chiller at the end of the device actually keeps the skin nice and cold and protects it, but they literally just disappear.
The Sciton BBL laser is the highest quality IPL laser on the market today. IPL, or intense pulse light therapy, has been around for decades and is the treatment of choice for brownish and reddish discolorations associated with aging skin. It has side benefits of reducing pore size and increasing or improving skin texture. A recent study by Stanford University has shown that getting annual treatments of BBL therapy actually changes the gene expression of your facial skin and might give you a long-term, permanent, youthful change to your skin quality. The downtime for a BBL treatment is maybe 3 or 4 hours for redness, and is very well tolerated.
And now we're going to go ahead and just move on to treating the rest of the skin. More towards the side for me, please. What's really nice about doing photo rejuvenation is the fact that it's not only an effective treatment, but can be done with little to no downtime. And that's always nice with today's working women.
Can I put on makeup after this?
Yes, you can always put makeup on right after this.
So I have a party coming up Saturday, tomorrow night, and I would be curious, am I going to have any problems with people noticing that I've had anything done, or is I having red spots or brown spots showing?
Well, actually today, since we're doing your rosacea treatments, you probably won't have any problems with swelling or different pigmentation colors. Typically, most people have a little bit of mild swelling that lasts anywhere from 24 hours, sometimes a week if we get a little bit more aggressive because we have more targets to hit. But that can actually be reduced with ice packets, a little bit of prednisone if it's more aggressive swelling. But for the most part, the majority of people on the bell curve have minimal to no downtime. They can resume all activities and no one knows that they've had anything done.
Okay, great. Hey, can I work out tomorrow morning?
Typically, you can actually do anything you want to. I always tell my patients that after a photo facial, let's just go ahead and do it and forget about it and just enjoy the results. Sometimes Sometimes after a photofacial though, if you've had a lot of pigmentation, which you in particular do not, the brown spots actually become browner and they rise to the surface and they gently peel off basically over the course of a week or week to 10 days. In this case, you don't have any of those.
Okay.